is Cecil B. Moneygetter, host of Money Talks, a new financial news upload that is laser focused on digital finance, cryptocurrencies, robotics, electric vehicles, stocks, the cannabis industry, and much, much more. Tune in and join us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern on our Information Meets Execution YouTube channel as we bring you financial news uploads, one trending topic at a time. And don't forget to stay listening, because money talks. Good evening. Today is Monday, July 22nd, and you're watching Money Talk. Today, our first story comes from the trending news segment. Investors anticipate an undoing of the mighty Trump trade with Biden making his exit. Again, that is, investors anticipate an undoing of the mighty Trump trade with Biden making his exit. The 2024 presidential race has taken a dramatic turn with President Joe Biden's decision to step down, leading to potential changes in market strategies known as the Trump trade. Now, Biden's withdrawal and endorsement of Vice President Kamala Harris have stirred speculation about the future of the Trump trade. CNBC reported on Monday. This term refers to market strategies banking on stocks that would likely benefit from a potential return of former President Donald Trump to the White House. Previously, markets have factored in another term for the Republican challenger following Biden's concerning debate performance and assassination attempt on Trump. However, Biden's withdrawal has introduced a new level of uncertainty into the election, causing traders to reassess their positions. Michael Brown, a senior research strategist at Australia-based broker Pepperstein, predicts that the U.S. dollar would soften as the Trump trade unwinds. He added that Biden's exit has increased the prospect of a Democratic victory marginally. Brown anticipates that stocks may decline in the short term, but views any drops as medium-term buying opportunities. This outlook is supported by the expectation that Federal Reserve will cut rates alongside resilient economic and earnings growth. Charles Myers, founder and CEO of advisory firm Signum Global Policy, also added that the Trump trade is at risk in the short term, adding that Harris will give a benefiting competition to Trump. I think that it's a bit too early for the markets to declare victory for Trump, and I think she's going to give him a real run for his money, Myers said. The decision, though not entirely unforeseen, has ignited the stock market. Recent polls has shown a widening lead for Trump over Biden following a lackluster debate performance, a failed assassination attempt on Trump, and the Republican convention. Up next, in technology news, Tesla FSD will allow users to wear sunglasses starting with version 12.5. Tesla Inc.'s full self-driving FSD driver assistance technology will allow users to use the software while wearing sunglasses starting from its upcoming version 12.5, company CEO Elon Musk told video game developer John Carmack on Saturday. FSD currently does not work well with sunglasses as its attention monitoring system tracks eye movements to ensure users are paying attention to the road and are ready to take over as required. However, the version 12.5 of the software, this issue should be resolved, Musk told Carmack. Carmack on Saturday took to X to note that he is feeling very confident about his bet on autonomous vehicles with software developer Jeff Atwood after multiple 2-hour drives with Tesla FSD. In March 2022, Carmack bet Atwood $10,000 that by January 1st, 2030, fully autonomous vehicles would be commercially available for passenger use in major cities. Carmack is the co-founder of video game company ID Software, and he was the lead programmer of popular games like Doom, Wolfenstein 3D, and Quake, among others. I now think they will be able to data it across the finish line without any research breakthroughs, Carmack said about Tesla and FSD. However, Tesla has had its share of breakthroughs, Musk responded. Tesla has done so much that will be considered AI research breakthroughs, but we are laser focused on making it work rather than crowing about breakthroughs, Musk wrote. Tesla is attempting to improve its FSD software to enable vehicles to operate without human intervention. However, it presently requires active driver supervision. Deploying autonomous vehicles hinges on both technological advancement and regulatory approval. Tesla's director of autopilot software, Ashok Ellaswamy, said in April during the company's first quarter earnings call that regulatory hurdles might be minimal if sufficient data proves the safety advantages of autonomous cars are over human-driven vehicles. Other autonomous car companies have also been clearing the regulatory path for Tesla, Ellaswamy said, referring to Alphabet Inc.'s Waymo. In May, Musk said the version of 12.5 of FSD, which is expected to allow users to wear sunglasses when using the technology, will start rolling out in late June. However, there seems to have been a delay as the company started rolling out FSD version 12.4.3 to customers only earlier this month. Some Tesla customers are on further older versions of the software. It is not clear when the company will start rolling out FSD 12.5. Tesla did not immediately respond to Benzinga's request for comment. Get in the comments and let me know what you think and how you feel. And in cryptocurrency news, Bitcoin dominates and Ethereum bounces back. Bitcoin and Ethereum investment products continue to signal investor confidence, according to a new report showing sustained inflows. The CoinShares report, authored by James Butterfield, reveals a continued trend of positive sentiment in the crypto investment space. Last week alone saw inflows of $1.35 billion into digital asset investment products, contributing to an impressive 3-week run that has accumulated $3.2 billion in total inflows. This surge in investment coincides with a notable increase in exchange-traded product trading volumes, which rose by 45% week-on-week to reach $12.9 billion. However, this figure represents a lower than usual 22% of the broader crypto market volumes, indicating potential for further growth. Bitcoin remains the dominant force in these inflows, attracting $1.27 billion last week. Interestingly, short Bitcoin ETPs saw outflows of $1.9 million, extending a trend that has resulted in $44 million in outflows since March. This represents a significant 56% of assets under management for these products, highlighting the enduring positive sentiment surrounding Bitcoin since the April halving event. Ethereum has also shown signs of a resurgence with inflows of $45 million last week. This performance has propelled Ethereum to overtake Solana as the altcoin with the most inflows year to date, accumulating $103 million. Solana, while still attracting investor interest with $9.6 million in inflows last week, now trails Ethereum with $71 million in year-to-date inflows. Other altcoins also saw positive movement, with Litecoin standing out by attracting over $1 million in inflows, specifically $2.2 million for the week. And up next, IPO news. With the start of a new week comes the excitement surrounding a new set of companies looking to make an impact through their public offerings. These enticing companies are scheduled to trade publicly this week. Concentric Group Holdings, Parent Inc., becomes publicly listed starting on July 25th, 2024. The company has a price range set between $23 and $26 with a 180-day lockup period. Concentric Group Holdings, Parent Inc., will be offering 22 million shares at a per share value of $24.50. Up next, OneStream Inc. becomes publicly listed starting on July 24th, 2024. The company has a price range set between $17 and $19 with a 180-day lockup period. OneStream Inc. will be offering 24 million shares at a per share value of $18. Remember to tune in Monday through Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern to stay ahead of the curve and listen up as money talks so that you can make informed decisions in this fast-paced digital age. Remember, if you found this information important, to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you at the top. Holla.